This video is going to be about using the rules of indices, so the index laws. So the first one you need to remember is that if I have a question like this, so y to the power 7 times by y to the power 2, then remember that the rule is that you add those powers. So 7 add 2 is 9, so that's y to the power of 9. The other rule you need is I have something like y to the power 8 divided by y to the power of 5. So where there's division here, what we do is we subtract the powers. So 8 take away 5 is 3. And then the other rule, last rule that you do at the moment, is that if I have something like this, let's say x to the power 4, and then we're going to cube all of that, then we multiply the powers. So 4 times 3 is 12. So there are 3 key rules that you need for indices. And then we can start to combine those sorts of things. So for example, I could have what's the answer to t to the power 7 times by t to the power 3, all divided by t to the power 4. And you just do that in 2 stages. So you do the top line first, so t to the power 10 because it's a multiplication, so we add the powers, divided by t to the power 4. Then we use our division rule, which is that you subtract the power, so 10 take away 4 is t to the power 6. Some of the things to remember, you just need to remember that any number or letter to the power 0 is always 1. So for example, a to the power 0 is 1. 123 to the power 0, the answer is 1. And last bit, something new for you actually, is that anything to a negative power, so for example 5 to the power minus 1, is just 1 over a fifth. 5 to the power minus 2 is 1 over 5 squared. 5 to the power minus 3 is 1 over 5 cubed, and so on. So here are some questions for you to try, please. Firstly, let's go for x to the power 4 times by x to the power 7. Second, we'll have c to the power 7 divided by c to the power 2. Third, let's have d to the power 4, and we'll have that all to the power 5. Number 4, I'm going to go for e to the power 6 times by e, think really carefully about what power that must be there, divided by e to the power 2. And finally, number 5, I'm going to have f to the power 8 times by f to the power minus 3 divided by f to the power minus 2.